Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dad's Gone Crypto. We've got an interesting show for you here today, but before we jump in, we've got to make the lawyers happy. So nothing in this episode is financial advice. This is for education, opinion, and entertainment only. Always do your own research before making any investment in crypto, AI, or anything else that I'm about to talk about today. All right, now on with the show. So today's episode is one of those moments where you stop and realize the future isn't coming, it's already here. Because one of the biggest companies in crypto, Coinbase, just laid off roughly 14% of its workforce. That's about 700 people. And the reason? AI. But this isn't just another tech layoff story. This is something bigger. Because at the exact same time, traditional crypto companies are shrinking teams. New blockchain companies are being built around AI from day one. And one of the most interesting projects trying to do that right now is a project that we've showcased on here a few times already called Supra, and their new system called Supra OS. So today we're talking about why Coinbase made this decision, what it says about the future of jobs, why AI is becoming the operating system of crypto, and how Supra OS could become a major part of that future. So here's what happened. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong announced that the company would cut around 14% of its workforce as part of what he called a move toward becoming lean, fast, and AI native. And that phrase matters because this wasn't framed like, hey, we're struggling or we're running out of money. In fact, Armstrong specifically said Coinbase remains financially strong. Instead, he said AI is fundamentally changing how work gets done. According to reports, Coinbase executives believe that engineers using AI can now complete weeks of work in just days. Non-technical employees are writing code with AI tools, and small one-person teams can now perform the work that used to require entire departments. So think about that for a second. We're not talking about robots replacing factory workers anymore. We're talking about AI replacing analysts, coders, designers, managers, support staff, marketing teams, and Coinbase isn't alone in this. Amazon, Meta, Cloudflare, Oracle, the entire tech industry is restructuring around AI productivity. But crypto feels different because crypto was supposed to be the industry creating new opportunity. Instead, one of the largest companies is saying, we can do more with fewer humans. And that's a massive shift. So now here's where this gets deeper. Most people hear this story and think AI is taking jobs, but I actually think something more important is happening. AI is changing the definition of a company. For decades, big companies scaled by hiring people, more employees, more management, more meetings, more bureaucracy. But AI flips that model upside down. Suddenly, one engineer can build like 5. One creator can produce like 10, and one founder can run what used to require an entire startup team. And Coinbase openly said they're flattening the company structure and reducing layers of management. That's not temporary, that's a blueprint. And honestly, this might become the standard business model of the entire AI era. Small teams, massive leverage, and AI everywhere. And whether we like it or not, crypto is probably going to adopt this faster than almost any other industry. Why? Because crypto already lives online. It already automates finance. It already runs 24/7 globally. AI fits naturally into that world, which brings us to Supra. So if you haven't heard of Supra yet, you can go back and watch some of our other videos. But here's a quick overview. Supra is building what they call the world's highest performing, fully vertically integrated layer 1 blockchain. And it's purpose built for something they're calling AutoFi, automatic DeFi. Now, I know that sounds incredibly crypto-y, so let me simplify it. Most blockchains are like a pile of separate tools duct taped together. You need one system for oracles, another for automation, another for cross-chain communication, another for verifiable randomness, plus whatever virtual machine you're running on. Supra's idea is, what if all those systems were built directly into one blockchain from the start at the consensus layer? Now, that's what they mean by fully vertically integrated. Their chain natively includes real-time price oracles with full finality in under a second, threshold AI oracles, basically decentralized committees of AI agents that can reason and deliberate before feeding insights on chain. System-level automation that triggers actions with zero block delay. Bridgeless cross-chain messaging. Verifiable on-chain randomness. And high-speed smart contracts that have been tested at 500,000 transactions per second with sub-second finality across 300 globally distributed nodes. And it's multi-VM. Starts with MoveVM, EVM support is live in beta, Solana VM is coming soon. Now, all of this is designed from day one to support autonomous applications that don't just react to data, they act on it instantly and securely. And this is exactly where things start intersecting directly with AI, because Supra isn't just building another blockchain. They're trying to build the infrastructure for an entire AI-driven economy, where autonomous AI agents sense markets, think through strategies, and execute real financial actions on-chain at speeds that humans can't match. So now let's talk about the really interesting part, Supra OS. Now, this just dropped in alpha at the end of April, and it's being positioned as your own self-hosted AI organization. Basically, the operating system for fleets of autonomous AI agents with blockchain-level enforcement and full data sovereignty. So here's the simple version. Imagine you don't just use AI tools from OpenAI or Anthropic. Instead, you own and run your own AI organization locally on your hardware. No big tech middlemen, no one else has your data. Supra OS lets you spin up a whole team of AI agents organized into departments. Think co-CEO, co-CFO, co-CTO, co-CMO, research, operations, you name it. These agents have a few very important functions. They have unique cryptographic identities, so every single action is signed and attributable. They have shared encrypted memory that lets them build collective intelligence. Insights flow between departments, get ranked, and crystallize into organizational truths that get smarter every cycle. And they have a tamper-evident audit trail. Every message, every trade, every memory write or approval is cryptographically linked in a hash chain. And here's the Supra magic. Periodic hash summaries of the entire system are anchored directly to the Supra Layer 1 blockchain. That gives you decentralized, external proof that nothing in your AI organization has been tampered with. No one, not even you, can secretly rewrite history without it being immediately obvious. It's reachable everywhere you already live. Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp. You can literally DM your co-CFO or ask the research department for a brief. Now tie that onto the blockchain. So Supra OS is built to work hand in glove with Supra's L1. Agents use the sense, think, act loop natively. So sense is pull real-time data from Supra's native oracles and threshold AI oracles. And then think is reason with leading AI models via those decentralized AI committees. And act is to execute instantly. Move assets, run DeFi strategies, hedge positions, rebalance portfolios, trigger cross-chain actions, all through high-speed smart contracts and zero delay automation. This is the heart of AutoFi. Users can talk to their agents in plain English, like maximize yield on my stablecoins while keeping risk under, whatever. And agents formulate, execute, and continuously optimize strategies autonomously 24/7 without you babysitting wallets or gas fees. So Supra OS isn't a chatbot wrapper. It's a full AI operating layer with cryptographic governance, on-chain anchoring, and direct access to programmable money. Now that's a massive leap. So let's take an example here to make this real. Most people still struggle to use crypto. Wallets, gas fees, bridges, staking, security, it's overwhelming. But imagine if your own AI organization handled most of that complexity for you. Your co-CFO agent could automatically, move your stablecoins to the safest yield opportunity that's available right now. It could automatically rebalance your portfolio when volatility spikes, or run 24/7 market surveillance and hedge risk while you're sleeping. Because Supra OS and Supra L1 makes the entire stack feel like a conversation instead of a series of button clicks. Crypto suddenly becomes dramatically easier and more powerful for normal people. But there's also a darker side to this, because if Coinbase is reducing humans while products like Supra are building autonomous AI systems, then we need to ask a serious question. What happens to work? And I don't mean just jobs, I mean value itself. Because historically, humans created value through labor. But AI is beginning to create leverage at a scale we've never seen before. One person with AI may soon outperform entire departments. And crypto might accelerate that even faster because blockchain systems are programmable money. Now combine programmable money, autonomous AI, decentralized finance, and global internet infrastructure, and you start seeing where this could go. The future may not be people using apps. It may be AI agents interacting with other AI agents economically. Now that sounds absolutely insane, but honestly, we're seeing the first version of it already. So here's my takeaway from all this. The Coinbase layoffs are not just a crypto story. They're a preview of what happens when AI becomes powerful enough to fundamentally change how companies operate. And while some companies are cutting workers to become AI native, other companies like Supra are trying to build the actual infrastructure, both the blockchain rails and the AI operating system, for an entirely AI-driven economy. Whether that future becomes amazing or absolutely terrifying probably depends on how we build it. But one thing feels undeniable. AI and crypto are no longer separate conversations. They're merging fast. And the people who understand both worlds early may have a huge advantage over the next decade. I want to know what you guys think. Do you think AI, especially something like Supra OS, will make crypto easier and more accessible? Or do you think it's going to eliminate too many jobs too quickly? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with another dad who's trying to understand the future before it arrives. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time. The material and information presented in this recording are for entertainment purposes only. Do not misconstrue what you hear as investment or trading advice. Always do your own research. The views, thoughts, and opinions expressed by the guests on this recording are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of Dad's Gone Crypto or its hosts.